Alright, these are now going to be going into the vapor honing VH1000 HD. We just got done vapor blasting this carburetor, and the next step is to basically put it right back into the ultrasonic cleaner. The reason why we're putting the carburetor right back into the ultrasonic cleaner is to ensure that all the abrasive is out of the carburetor. The combination of ultrasonic cleaning and vapor blasting has achieved results on this carburetor. That makes it look and function like it did originally.
We want to know if you guys find ultrasonic tanks useful, and if so, what you use them for.
Drop a comment below and let us know, alright?
If you guys would like to purchase one of these machines, please visit our website or give us a call. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing and checking out the other great content that we have on our channel. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day.